guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. Today's video is way different because I'm going to show you a diecast brand which many of them have not shown, and I bet many of them are not aware that this hidden gem exists. So without wasting time, let me show it to you. But before that, please like, comment and subscribe, and do check out our other videos and follow us on Instagram. So let me show you the car without wasting time. I have my hands on this beautiful gorgeous model. This is from the brand Deoxy Toys, and the car that I have is a Pagani Huayra. So look how cool it is. The color finish is epic, and the color is the gloss purple, and it is very nice. It has a lot of cool details, and every minute details counts. So talking about the first detail I would like to point out is that the headlights, it has the plastic inserts, and now even talking about the tail lights. So again, it has plastic inserts. These minute details are crazy here. So now let me show you more here. So there's that Italian flag here. So of course, Pagani is an Italian brand, and you have the Italy flags there. And the meaning of Pagani Huayra is the god of wind, and it truly is. And I'm pretty sure you guys are aware of it. And now talking about the details again, so there's that wiper here on the windshield again, which is very cool. So now let me show you a few other details here. So now let me place it down. So firstly, the headlights and tail lights will on when I press it. So let me press it and I'll show you. So you see that light there. You have the headlight and the tail lights. So that is a very cool thing. And talking about other features, so you can actually open the doors here. So now let me open the doors and give you a quick look. And there's that sound when you open the doors. Again, this is a very cool feature. And guys, this is a pullback car, and this is a very nice one. So I have opened the doors. So look how cool this is looking. And guys, wait, there is more opening parts here. So now let me open the bonnet of the car. This is the part where this gets very cool. So look how nice it is. Even the front bonnet opens, and this is what I really like in these type of cars where you have a lot of opening parts. And the main part where the hood opens. So now let me open it. So look at the details at the hood there. So I mean, actually, I must say that I'm thankful for this gift because it was gifted by one of my closest relative, and the details is like very cool. And if they didn't gift me, I wouldn't know this brand exists, and this is a hidden gem. And the price of this car stands around 1000 rupees, and it's available on Amazon. So do go check out the reviews and other things before buying it. And this is my first car from this brand. So now let me show you the base. So the base is plastic, and then it is made in China, but you get the rubber wheels. And then other very important thing in this car is, so look at the disc brakes that this car has, just like the original car. So many of the minute details they have kept in mind, and it is very cool. And talking about the exhaust at the back, again it is placed very well. And overall, I love this car, and I never expected that I would get this as a gift. Overall, do let me know in comments what do you think. And even the interiors are very crazy. So let me open the door again so I can show it to you. So look at the steering wheel there, and it's so nice, the seats and everything. So every minute detail they have kept in mind, and overall this is a very nice one. And I told you this is pull back, so let me show you that part as well. So do let me know in comments what you think it is. So this is the pull back. Overall this is a very cool car, and this is quite heavy, and I love this brand. So do let me know in comments what you think and what is your opinion. So see you guys in my next video.